The largest interest rate hike in over 2 decades. Black Knight to be bought for $13.1 billion, the worst time ever to buy a home, and the only iBuyer to be turning a profit. From PropLogic, these are your top 4 stories in real estate this week. The Federal Reserve raised interest rates for the second time yesterday by 0.5% as they try to tackle the worst inflation America has seen in over 40 years. For consumers, this means some relief in rising prices of daily goods, but also means that if you are expecting to take on any debt soon, such as home loans, you might see your interest rate jump if you're not already locked into one. Right after the announcement of the 50 basis point rate hike, Intercontinental Exchange Inc., the company who owns ICE Mortgage Technology, struck a deal to purchase Black Knight for $13.1 billion. The two companies are generally regarded as the two biggest providers of mortgage origination softwares, and the deal might be considered to be a blow to other mortgage lending and servicing companies. Black Knight is said to control 56% of the mortgage servicing market. Right now, more than ever, Americans agree it is the worst time to buy a home. Only 30% of adults surveyed by Gallup think it is a good time to buy a home, the lowest number we've seen since the question was first asked in 1978. This is no surprise, as home affordability is the worst it's ever been, with prices up 34% since the start of the pandemic, and the average mortgage payment on a home is now nearly $2,000 more. Among the top iBuying businesses, the one with seemingly the least brand recognition and funding is the only one to ever turn a profit, with $41 million reported in the first quarter of this year alone. We're talking about OfferPad, a company started in 2015 and went public last September. OfferPad bought 2,800 homes in the first quarter and sold over 3,600, returning the largest profit in the company's history. That's it for 4 stories. The news doesn't end here. Follow PropLogic on social media, subscribe to the show on any of your favorite podcast platforms, watch behind-the-scenes footage here on YouTube, and shoot us an email at 4.stories@proplogics.com to let us know what you think about the show. I'll see you next week.